Let's review Evapolar evaCHILL Personal Evaporative Air Cooler. Three-in-one, cools, humidifies, and cleans dust particles from the air for healthier breathing. You don't need more to have several devices like air conditioner and humidifier. For personal use, cools the area in front of the device, 45 square feet. Approximately the size of a desk, couch or bed. Leakage-proof system and intuitive and easy-to-understand user control pad. Enlarged water tank, increasing the working time up to 9 hours.